Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another beautiful makeup review by the products provided by Sweetcare. And we're going to be trying a lot of goodies from Purobio. I did talk about them a little bit in my previous video, and they are nickel free, vegan products, organic. Instead of just me talking, let's put my face on. I will start with a primer first. It's made for oily skin, supposed to give you a soft matte finish. A little goes a long way, and it does absorb quite fast, and it is quite tacky, which is a good. Next one is a BB cream, which is meant to be makeup, no makeup kind of look. With BB cream, you can correct all of the discoloration of your skin and then go over with a little foundation, because you already corrected all of the redness or any other small imperfections that you might have. Then you only need a very little foundation to give you that perfect look. A little bit on my face. I said little. BB cream is in shade 2, which actually I thought it might be a little too dark for me, but actually it's perfect, because I'm still waiting for my summer tan to hit, so I'm a little on the paler side still. But once my summer tan hits, I will be golden goddess, and you can't tell me otherwise. But do you see, my skin was red and it covers everything, and this is just BB cream. Fair enough, I had to use a little bit more by accident, but this is nice. Because of its ingredients, including aloe vera, it has moisturizing properties as well as repairing, so it's a little skincare in makeup, and who doesn't like that? It also meant to be waterproof, which, if you know me, I will apply anything that is waterproof. Waterproof is my go-to, just in case I will cry somewhere, or if I need to go in the rain, because I always forget my umbrella, so waterproof makeup is my go-to. And at the moment, this sits on my skin quite nicely as well. Like in the past, I used other BB creams that gives me that oily, icky feeling, and I get that feeling immediately. This one does not give me that. I don't know, maybe because it has a matte finish. This foundation is meant to be full coverage as well as being waterproof, which yay for me. It also has same aloe vera ingredients, but also has sebum absorbing silica. I'm just gonna add a little bit on my hand. After applying BB cream, I only feel I need a little extra on my cheeks, because that redness of my heat is just peeking through. And this is shade 3, which actually with BB cream it just works perfect. I'm only adding foundation in areas where I actually need more coverage, which is a little bit on my cheeks to control that redness peeking through, as well as my nose. This so far has gorgeous finish. It feels nice on the skin. The next item, we have luminous concealer stick. You get quite a lot of product in it. It doesn't really have much smell. A little bit in my under eyes. A little bit here for lightening purposes, a little bit here, a little bit here. I'll start blending parts on my face, still leaving the under eye, just to make sure I get that full coverage. The concealer is meant to brighten your under eye areas or any other area that you would like. It's perfect for on-the-go touch-ups because it actually comes in a stick. It's not liquidy. I think it's perfect for travel. As you see, it's quite secure packaging. At the end of the month, I'm going to Lithuania, and this is definitely a concealer that I'm going to take with me, just because it's so easy to touch up on the go. It's so package friendly. It's so light as well. Like my other concealers, as great as they are, they're not as light. And you know, if you're traveling with Ryanair, you want your package to be light. Two big colors, which is my powder foundation and my bronzer, as well as slightly smaller blush and 4 eyeshadow shades. The next I'm gonna use a powder foundation in shade 4. I'm gonna use it as my bronzer. All of the colors in the pan, they are adjustable colors, so you can start your way light and build it up. While I'm just in the middle of my makeup, I'm just gonna apply some lip balm just to prepare myself for lip product application after. This one smells like candy, but it's not a strong smell. It's not something that you're gonna put on and it's gonna annoy you. It's very subtle caramel smell. Oh, it's delicious. I could eat it. Oh, this makes me hungry. I want to use a liquid highlighter and I want to put it everywhere. I want to put it on my chest, on my arms. I want to bathe in it. Just a teeny tiny on the high cheek. Oh, gorgeous. Can you see? Especially now that 2016 highlighter is coming back, this is a yes. And this is just a little bit. The intensity of the highlighter can be builded up. The intensity of the highlighter can be builded up so you can go as crazy as you want. And where the fun actually begins is my chest. How gorgeous does that look? Okay, I need more. Oh my god. I'm gonna also use powder bronzer, which is, you guessed it right, it has highlighting effect. Can you go too much with the highlighter? I don't think so. The glowier the better, especially now, summertime party vibes. Sorry, can't talk to you right now. I'm glowing. An eyeshadow primer, just a little bit. It's supposed to make your eyeshadow look wear longer. And since I'm all about the glow, I'm gonna use shade 1. It's the champagne color, which actually, if you touch it, it feels like it's wet, almost. All of the eyeshadows, you can either buy them in a compact or get a refill and then get this kind of palette, which is very convenient if you ask me. The next item I'm gonna try is a blue pencil. I'm gonna try to do a little smoky wing. It's very soft, so it glides very easy. Smudging brush and smudge it out just a little bit. Pencil, it is so soft, it blends great. They have various shades. They have green one, I have a purple one, and they all feel the same. Creamy, very blendable, but once it dries, it stays. We have a black liner to try next. This very fine tip. I'm not the biggest fan of these type of eyeliners. I just don't find them comfortable. When it comes in a pen, I find it so much easier. Before it dries, I'm just gonna blend it to make my blue a bit darker. Ooh, now we're talking. It's not my first a pencil. It's not my first eyebrow pencil from Purobio, so I like it. It's a great eyebrow pencil, and the shade 7 definitely matches me a bit more than my previous shade. It applies easily, and you can just blend it out with a little spoolie that is on the other end. No look is complete without a mascara. Double Dream mascara, and it has argan oil as well as castor oil, so while you're applying for that bold look, you're also looking after your lashes. Very different. I don't think I've seen this kind of spoolie before. It's meant to curl your lashes and give you the volume. I have applied 2 coats of mascara now, and to be honest, I don't think I need false lashes. Next item is a lipstick pencil in shade 17. It's this brown peachy kind of color, and I'm just gonna overline my lips just a little bit. Lipstick pencil has coconut oil and vitamin E to protect your lips throughout the day, and it's supposed to last up to 8 hours. It's meant to give you matte finish, but I am not a matte girly, so I'm gonna apply some gloss. This is in shade 4. What I like about them, it's nothing smells too much. Like sometimes you get an item that it overpowers how it smells, and these, they don't have much scent. I did enjoy the products that I used, and I love the final finish. Everything with the glow is just like these 3 products: BB cream, foundation, and the highlighter. It's really good, and it's so affordable as well. Everything I used in the video, it's under £15. I think it's great. They're vegan, they're cruelty free, they're nipple tested, they're organic. I hope you enjoy watching the video as much as I enjoyed creating this for you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!